If your physician has referred you for an MRI, there are a few things you will need to do on your HFX app. The day of your MRI, you will need to place your device into MRI mode. This can be done by tapping the menu icon, then tapping MRI mode under Advanced Settings. You will then be prompted to tap Enter MRI mode, followed by Enter. You will know you're successfully in MRI mode and your stimulation has been turned off when you see your stimulator is in MRI mode on your screen. Once your MRI is complete, you will be able to exit MRI mode. To do so, tap the Exit MRI mode icon on the bottom of the screen. You will then be prompted to tap Exit. To turn your device back on, tap the Turn On icon. You have now successfully exited MRI mode and turned your program settings back on. If the HFX app fails to enter MRI mode, don't proceed with the MRI and please contact Nevro HFX Care Team.